class. Today is our GK turn. Okay, so take out your GK book. Okay, class, open this chapter 17, page number 20. Here written countries and their capitals. Okay, magic country in column A with capital column B. Okay, so here is capital and country's name. Okay, so first one, Vietnam, Zimbabwe, Serbia. Okay, Uruguay, Nicaragua, Japan. Okay, Turkey, Uganda, Switzerland, Romania, Poland. Okay, Portugal, Peru, Norway, Netherlands. Okay, and here written Kampala, Warsaw, Lisbon, Managua, Amsterdam. Okay, yes, Bucharest, Harare, Lima, okay, Tokyo, Bern, Oslo, Belgrade, Hanoi, Ankara, and Montevideo. Correct. So we will match this country with capital. Okay. So what is the meaning? What is here written? Vietnam. Okay. And what is the answer? Hanoi, Zimbabwe, and second one is Harare. Okay, Harare, and third one Serbia. And what is the answer? Belgrade. Okay, here is Belgrade. Okay, now Uruguay. Okay, and what is the answer of fourth one? So here Montevideo. Okay, next one, fifth one, Nicaragua. Okay, and what is the answer of Nicaragua? So Managua. Okay, now next one, sixth, Japan, and here Tokyo. Turkey, seventh one, and what is the answer of this one? So what is the answer? Ankara. Okay, yes, Uganda, eighth one, and what is the answer of Uganda? Kampala. Okay, now next one, Switzerland is ninth one, and answer is Bern. Okay, Romania, 10, and what is the answer of 10? Yes, what is the answer? So Bucharest. Okay, Bucharest. Okay, Bucharest. Okay, so next one, 11, Poland, and what is the answer of Poland? Warsaw. Okay, Warsaw. Okay, now next one, Portugal. Okay, so what is Portugal? And 12th one is Lisbon. Okay, next one, Peru, and 13th one is Peru, and what is the answer of Peru? So what is the answer? So Lima. Okay, now next one, Norway, and 14th one is Norway. Okay, and what is the answer of Norway? So Oslo. Okay, Netherlands, 15, last one, 15, Netherlands, and what is the answer of this one? Netherlands. So right answer is Amsterdam. Got it? Okay. So now all of you, here Monday 26 October 2020, you have to write this date in your GK notebook, chapter 7, countries and their capitals. What is the capital of Vietnam? Okay, so Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. Got it? What is the capital of Zimbabwe? So Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. What is the capital of Serbia? Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. Okay, what is the capital of Uruguay? So Montevideo is the capital of Uruguay. Got it? What is the capital of Nicaragua? So Managua is the capital of Nicaragua. Got it? So again we will repeat. What is the capital of Vietnam? Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. What is the capital of Zimbabwe? Okay, so Harare is the capital of Zimbabwe. What is the capital of Serbia? Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. What is the capital of Uruguay? Okay, Uruguay. So Montevideo is the capital of Uruguay. What is the capital of Nicaragua? Managua is the capital of Nicaragua. Got it, all of you? Okay, so do this work in your GK notebook. Okay, thank you.